In this video we will be looking at a new development in Preston City Centre. The complex will cost £40 million to construct and will feature a cinema, restaurants, a bowling alley and escape room. The scheme has been 10 years in the making, but will now provide significant environmental, economic and social benefits. You can follow me on Facebook at Preston Today. Once complete, the development will spread over multiple stories, with the lower ground area forming a car park with 164 spaces. A new link will be made between Ormskirk Road and the bus station car park. The ground floor is to be occupied by Hollywood Bowling and 4 restaurants, which will each have space for outdoor seating. We will keep visiting this site and see how the build progresses. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have found it interesting and informative. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates on this project and to see other new projects around Preston. See you next time.